Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Oreo cake. First, gather your ingredients. About 36 Oreo cookies, 1 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Begin by crushing 24 of the Oreo cookies into fine crumbs. You can use a food processor for speed or place them in a bag and crush them with a rolling pin. Set aside the remaining 12 cookies for the filling. Now transfer your crushed Oreo crumbs into a mixing bowl. Gradually add 1 cup of milk, stirring until the mixture is well combined and smooth. Next, incorporate 1 teaspoon of baking powder, mixing it in completely. Pour this batter into a greased, microwave-safe dish, ensuring it's evenly spread. This simple batter is the foundation for your delightful cake. While your cake bakes, let's prepare the luscious Oreo filling. Take the 12 reserved Oreo cookies and crush them into small pieces, not as fine as the cake batter. In a separate bowl, combine 4 ounces of softened cream cheese with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Mix these ingredients until smooth, then gently fold in the crushed Oreo pieces. This creates a rich, textured filling. Once your cake is ready, microwave it for about 5 to 6 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool completely before spreading the creamy Oreo filling evenly over the top. You can also garnish with extra cookie crumbs or a drizzle of chocolate syrup. This simple, delicious Oreo cake is perfect for any occasion. Check the description for a link to a great book about money and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.